All right, so K24 is bolted up. Turn around, we've been working backwards the whole time. So there you go. All accessories on. You just gotta get it on the lift. Put the new clutch, everything on. Get in the car, bolt tranny up, hook the harness up, and turn that key. All right. All right, so K24 is bolted up. Turn around, we've been working backwards the whole time. So there you go. All accessories on. You just gotta get it on the lift. Put the new clutch, everything on. Get in the car, bolt tranny up, hook the harness up, and turn that key. All right, ain't gonna be no cross fingers because we do a great job here. Here at PAX. Pinnacle Auto Works, that's the nickname, PAX. All right, so y'all look for them shirts coming soon. I don't know why y'all won't get mine. Only $35. Playing with me. All right, but hey, we're gonna hook this up to the lift, get in the car, and fire it up tonight. All right, well, let me get it over here. Set up. All right. You get the lift, put it in place, we'll be ready to rock.
talk about it.
You're right.
You guys can hear it. She's breathing.